The 2026 Subaru Impreza. Love what you can do. It's ready to take you wherever your life leads, and is designed to get you there in safety and style. Add genuine Subaru accessories and elevate your driving experiences. Here are just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories now available for the 2026 Impreza. Prepare for every possibility and travel in confidence with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Body side molding, door edge guards, splash guards, and mud flaps help protect the exterior of your Subaru, while seat covers, all-weather floor liners, and the rear seat back protector help keep the interior safe from sand, spills, snow, mud, dirt, and moisture. Help make every driving experience more satisfying with genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories. Start your vehicle with a remote engine starter and adjust your vehicle's temperature to begin any journey in comfort. The sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature up to 40 degrees. And the second row sunshade dulls sun glare and provides UVA and B protection to passengers in the back seat. Neatly transport cargo and gear in the cargo net. And the cargo organizer. And the rear gate assist handle is designed for when a little extra height is needed to close the rear gate. The upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from the headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. Share your passion for performance with genuine STI accessories to help make your Impreza anything but ordinary. Add a sporty touch to the exterior with the STI roof spoiler. STI underspoilers available in black or signature STI cherry red. And black STI alloy wheels to add a perfect blend of attitude and style. Upgrade the interior with the cherry red STI starter switch. And the STI leather shift knob, crafted with leather, red stitching, and a metallic accent. Enjoy every journey with your ultimate travel companion and keep them safe and comfortable with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Buckle up your dog in the pet harness, or secure your small dog or cat in the pet carrier and mobile pet bed. Both accessories are crash tested and certified by the Center for Pet Safety. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area. Give your dog easier access to enter and exit the vehicle with the pet ramp, and help keep the interior of your Impreza protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector, seat cover rear, and console lid protector, and the pet rear door protector. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule give you the flexibility to carry more gear and live your life to the fullest. Install the crossbar set fixed in conjunction with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers, including the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier, the Thule cargo carrier extended, or heavy-duty roof cargo basket for added rooftop storage capacity, the kayak carrier, and paddleboard carrier for water adventures, or the ski and snowboard carrier for adventures on the mountain. Provide shelter from the sun and rain while expanding your outdoor living space with the Thule awning. This accessory can be used in conjunction with other genuine Subaru rooftop accessories. You'll be confidently connected on every road you travel with the wireless charger, or genuine Subaru USB charging cables. With the addition of genuine Subaru-style accessories, you can let your passion for life shine. Illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area, and elevate the interior with bright white LED lighting. Add a stylish color accent throughout the vehicle, while protecting storage areas with interior accent liners. Protect and dress up the door sills, or add a sporty look to the roofline. Thanks for riding along with us to see just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories and how they can be included in your monthly payment plan to reduce upfront expenses.